Yo, 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 what it is? What's up? It's your girl, Nikki Nix, coming to serve you looks. Hey, hey, hey.
I can't live without you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of, oh my gosh, Nikki, you're here again. It's your girl, Adi Nix on the beat. Today I am coming to you fresh browed and all, and I will be doing a makeup tutorial. I will be trying brand new makeup today, and I'm pretty excited. Urban Decay released foundations, yes, and I will be reviewing those today. It does retail for, I believe, $53. I swatched it in Sephora and it was pretty amazing, so I said let me bring it over to my home and film it for y'all. I will also be trying out some new goodies. This Fumi and JUVIASPLACE collaboration, the Queen palette, I have already used it before. As you can see, the thing is already looking raggedy. I'm gonna be using a lot of the colors today. I already have the look in my mind, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. This had two lip glosses, which is the Queen lip gloss, Queen Royalty, and the Queen Fumi. I'll be using this one. Obviously, you all know how much I love dark lipstick, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm actually feeling this nude one too. This nude one is pretty interesting to use. I actually love it, so I'm gonna try to do a look that I can use both of them, so I can swatch both of them for you guys. So I went to Sephora and I bought this product right here. It's supposed to contain vitamin C and vitamin E, and I'm most definitely lacking vitamin E because my lips are always dry. So I believe that using this on my face before makeup will be really good, so it will be working on my skin and also glowing me up. Feels really light, feels like water actually, and it's cooling on my skin right now. I'm gonna try it out for about 2 weeks and then I'll see if I like it. Just adding a bit more. Okay, so my skin does feel a bit tighter, which is good, which is what they said that's what vitamin C used to do, so I guess it's working. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with my eyes first. I'm still priming the base of my eye with the Inglot 76 gel liner. Okay, so now that the primation is complete, I'm gonna start with the color that has been entering my eye, like I said, Olay. And I'm gonna start with that bad boy, and that is gonna go on my crease area. You know how it is, I never really know what I'm doing till I do it. So I'm gonna use Olay to create like a cut crease ready preparation crease color. I am going to now cut my crease. I'm gonna go back in again with Olay to clean the end of the cut crease so it doesn't look ragadicious. I'm gonna go in with Adrian to, you know, mix the purple and the red right here to give a very beautiful mixation. Don't you guys love that purple right there? Just stunting on us daddies out here. I'm going in with Scissor right there. I'll be applying that to the almost frontish, not so front, might be front, getting there, but not too front. So I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush so it just blends in as I'm applying it. And I'm just going to work that lightly. And then to finalize everything on my eye, I would be going in with FDV approved. I feel like this palette is wonderful for those people that don't like to do so much makeup. This palette costs $15. You have every color for the day, the night, the brunch, the moon, the stars, the evening, the celebration, birthday, twerking day, club day, might be eating beef day, might be vegetarian day, all the days, holidays, every day is the days and the twos and the Wednesdays and the Thursdays and the Fridays. You can use this palette. So I'm applying FDV approved to the front, and I'm just gonna blend it in a little bit because I don't want it to be so overpowering in the front. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with Adrian and I'm going to blend out the Ole right here, or Ola. I'm going to go back in with the red and I'm just going to increase the radiation. I feel like the eye look is cute. It's not Decay approved because it looks too ordinary in my eye. 7 right here is one of my favorite numbers, so I'm going to try to incorporate her into this look, and then I'm going to mix the FDA approved with the glam, and I'm going to see what that mix would give me, and that's what I'm going to use to line my eye. Color mix. Like I said, I'm going to incorporate 7 is that vibrant pink shade. I'm just going to mix her with the purple. Yes, see that? See what that did right there? So I'm going over that pink I just added with the purple again because I really like the purple gradient and the pink. Then I'm gonna apply Ole again to the end just to blend everything together really nicely like a gradient, and voila, we got an eye look that is full with swagger. So I'm gonna apply that shimmer mix right now to my eyelid. Let's see what it gives us. It's not bad, I like it, but I think I made the line too thick. But you know what, there's some things that I think I do too much and it's just perfectly fine. So normally I wouldn't want to wear eyeliner, but because of how sexy the eye look is looking in my own eye, I don't know if your eye is seeing sexy, but my eye is seeing sexy. I'm gonna be applying the Inglot 77 gel liner, which is the black eyeliner, and I'll be using that to line my eye.
I can't live without you.
So we have our eyeliner cutting people's throat like, let me now wear my eyelashes. Today, what eyelashes was I be wearing? One of my favorite actually. The Fabio Lash by TT Luxe Lashes in Kiki 2. How I have done. We are looking fire, fire. Fire, fire. So I just got back from washing my hands. So if you see some dry knuckles, then just understand that we got dry skin. I'm just gonna leave with it. This new Fenty Beauty True Match Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. I'd like to thank Zacom for sending me this. And what I love about this is that it feels so good on the skin. It applies really smoothly and it leaves like a velvety finish on your skin. Okay, so now that I'm done matting up my face, I would be going in to try Z foundations today. I got 2 shades, 90NN and then 90W0. I bought 2 so I can mix and match, because mixing and matching really helps me get the perfect shade. I'm done complaining about not having my own right shade, because like it's not there, it's not there. I don't have to live with it like that. The packaging is amazing. It helps you hold on to the foundation really, really well. The shade that I'm trying is the 90NN. I'm gonna swatch it on my face right now. It's really light, right? Yeah, I think so too. This is the 90W0 and it's a darker shade, which I believe would look better on me. This side is way better, so I'm going to blend this one in to my skin. I should have gone with a darker shade from what I'm seeing, but I was trying to match my body as per usual. Let's just hope that it all works out. It looks really good. It says lightweight liquid foundation. Let me see if they talk about like the coverage. It says flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, which is good. Everybody wants to be matte this summer, but winter, nobody want to be matte. Everybody want to be bad. Because I have larger than normal pores. I'm adding more pumps of the foundation just to get the coverage that I want, because it's medium to buildable. And that's why I don't really like medium to buildable coverage foundation, because you tend to use double of what you need, especially for someone like me with severe hyperpigmentation. I tend to need to do it like 3 times where someone will need to do it once. So to be honest, I don't think I would keep this foundation. Like, it does feel weightless. It feels like water just running on my face, which is very good, but it's not hiding my imperfections like the pores like I'd love it to, like I believe a thicker foundation would. But all in all, it's actually not bad. If you're the kind of person that is blessed with awesome skin, then trust me, you would love this foundation. It kind of mimics the Fenty Beauty foundation, but it gives you more coverage than that. It mimics the weight of the Fenty Beauty foundation. You know how lightweight and natural that one feels? That's how this one feels too. It's not bad, and it does minimize the appearance of pores. It's just not as minimal as I'd love it if I was wearing a thicker foundation. But it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face at all. It does look really matte, but it doesn't look dry matte. It looks velvety matte, which is amazing too. I also purchased the concealer that they made with this foundation. This one is buildable, full coverage, flexible, breathable, does not transfer, real skin matte finish, corrects the look of imperfections, waterproof, vegan formula, does not contain animal derived ingredients or byproducts. Okay, if you say so. This is what the concealer looks like. I got the shade 80WO. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how it blends. This is how I apply my concealer normally. That's what I'm doing here. It's not as bright as I thought it would be. It does have that orange effect, which works really well as a color corrector, and then it actually blends out nicely. This one on my chin area started peppering me. That's why I blended it, and my peppering me is just a little sting. Like, I could feel like there's a product there. I don't know what that's about, but I have sensitive skin. I'll tell you in later days if I have any reaction because of this product. Blends out really nicely and does give me a perfect matte finish that I really like. This side packs the product. Can you see? It's the spooner, while this part right here is the brusher. This kind of helps you control how much concealer you apply. So you just apply a little and then use this one to brush it into the nook and cranny of your eye. That's one thing I love about the concealer. The wand is really innovative. So it's time for the lips. Today our lips are going to be zhuzhed up with these two amazing lip glosses. I have used them both on my Instagram page. You guys should check it out. But these lip glosses are hands down my current favorite. So I'm gonna be trying the nude one first, which is the Queen Collection lip gloss in the shade Royalty, and honestly it's really good. I'll be lining my lips with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. Now that I'm done with that, I'll be applying this JUVIASPLACE lip gloss in Royalty. Lip glosses smell amazing, by the way. It's time for the second lipstick, which I feel like it will blow this look out of the water, and it's only $10. They only retail for $10. Don't want to miss it. You really don't. I loved it. Just going in with a little setting powder to clean the gloss. I love the fact that it's a gloss and not a matte lipstick, so it cleans really nicely. Hey, Angeli me, Auntie, me. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate you eternally. So this is the finished look. Really glad I tried the Stay Naked Urban Decay Weightless Foundation. I would actually have to return it because it's not my style of foundation. If you do have acne scarring and you're looking for something to cover it up but still give you a weightless finish that doesn't feel like you're wearing makeup, then definitely go for that. I wish I was like that. Actually gonna keep the concealer and keep using it because I absolutely love how it looks on me. I love how it has given my face a really good coverage, and I absolutely love the finish. As for the Sephora Glow Oil, I would use that for about a week and then see how my skin reacts to it, because it does have vitamin C and vitamin E. Congratulations, Fumi Void, on your collaboration with JUVIASPLACE. This whole collection, the Queen Collection, speaks to me and speaks through me. I am a queen. I feel like a queen and I act like a queen. in Jesus' name. What I love is you chose the right colors that speak directly to me. I have nothing negative to say about this collection. Actually, I am obsessed. I will most definitely be going into this palette more often than I thought I would, because this video is partly sponsored by JUVIASPLACE. I would be doing a giveaway just to show my appreciation, because if I didn't have you guys watching me, nobody would think to pay me to do anything. All you have to do is comment below and just tell me what you love about this video. I pick at random and I post the results on my Instagram, so you have to comment on this video and also comment under the picture that I posted on Instagram. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios amigos, catch you another time. Peace.